Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Marvel Future Revolution. First, make sure your mobile device is compatible with the game's requirements. You will need a device running at least Android 6.0 or iOS 13.0. Also, a strong and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial for a smooth download and installation process. Finally, ensure you have at least 4 GB of available storage on your device before proceeding. Once your device is ready, navigate to your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Search for Marvel Future Revolution and select the official game. Tap the Install or Get button to start the download. The initial download is typically around 100 megabytes, but the game will then download several gigabytes of additional data, which can take 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, find the Marvel Future Revolution icon on your home screen and tap it to launch the game. You will be prompted to create a new account or log in with an existing one, often through Google, Apple, or Facebook. Once logged in, the game will guide you through a short introductory tutorial, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, familiarizing you with movement and combat. If you experience any issues, such as the game not loading or performing slowly, try restarting your device first. This simple step resolves many common problems. You can also clear the game's cache through your device settings, which can fix minor glitches without deleting your game data. Always ensure your game is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and new content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.